talking about. I'm angry that I did that. Very angry because, for one, I messed up my career. I was away from my children for an entire week. It's caused me financial troubles. It's causing my relationship troubles because, you know, we're fighting over
703. Ms. Bowman is present today. Without counsel, the state is represented by Teresa Hyatt. We're here for a bond hearing. Can I get a report from probation?
Yes, Your Honor. Ms. Bowman has been on a TAD monitor since June 10th of this year. She was placed on a TAD monitor after she was referred from county court bound over to our court for 2 counts of assault, 2 counts of obstructing official business, and 2 counts of resisting arrest. During her time on monitor, she has been fully compliant, no issues with drug testing, no confirmed alcohol events on her monitor, and to this day she has been compliant.
Okay, anything from the state?
Your Honor, both officers who were the victims of the assault and the obstructing, they both have sent responses to us indicating that they think that the monitor should remain on at this time. Alcohol played a huge issue that night when this defendant went off. And I know she does have some mental health issues, and she also is on mental health meds, but she acknowledged even then that she knew she wasn't supposed to be drinking and apparently ingested quite a bit of alcohol that evening. So we're asking that I don't have a problem if the court wants to switch it to SoberLink, if that's going to make it a little easier, but we think an alcohol monitor should somehow be continued.
Okay, thank you. Is there anything you want to say, Ms. Bowman?
Yes, I do. So I was on the wrong medication that night.
Talk to me.
I'm sorry. I was on the wrong medication, and I'm also currently having my therapist write a letter. She just has to get approval for that. I had been misdiagnosed and was on like 5 other medications, and no, I shouldn't have been drinking. I made a terrible mistake that has messed up my entire career now. I work in the medical field. I have medical degrees. Now, I mean, I stay at home with my children, but I'm in college, and I'm still gonna go. But granted, now that this has happened, I can't swim with my children. I can't afford this ankle monitor. I don't work. My boyfriend does. And, you know, we have rent, we have bills, food is expensive. I have 2 children. My son's birthday party is this weekend, and I want him to have a good birthday party, you know? So, and also my other son is about to turn 2, August 26th. His birthday party's already planned, August 22nd.
What happens if you drink?
That was just a one-time occasion. That's the only time that's ever happened to me. I don't drink. I don't like have a problem with it. It was just the alcohol on top of being manic. And might I mention, so I'm actually dealing with, I'm a victim in a crime. I was sexually assaulted and abused very badly, and I went to jail actually on the abuser's birthday, and I had the court date through Butler County. You can speak to them if you'd like to, but the prosecutor, her name is Lindsay. I spoke with them, and they are waiting until I get off this monitor and stuff so I can move forward with getting my abuser in jail, because that's also plays a huge role in why I drank that night and everything, because what that guy did to me was, what that guy did to me was really messed up, and yeah, and also I can't afford it, and I can't swim. It's embarrassing. I start college soon. I genuinely am sorry that this happened. I didn't mean to do that. I literally didn't know what I was doing at that point, like genuinely. But I show remorse to the officers because I don't know what I did. I feel bad. I know I'm guilty. I take accountability. I beat myself up over it every day, but I'm in therapy. I'm working on it. You know, sorry, I'm not trying to cry. It's just when I get triggered, it triggers everything. But the medication that I was on played a huge role in it, and I was super manic.
Okay, let me interrupt you.
Okay.
I'm listening to what you say. You don't have to repeat the same thing over.
I know. I'm sorry. Okay.
So if there's anything else you want to add, go ahead, but if not, that's fine.
And also when I shave my legs, I keep cutting myself with my razor.
Okay.
With the ankle
I think you
monitor?
had that in your letter too.
Yeah, I did.
How long has she been on the monitor?
She has been on since June 10th, Your Honor.
June 10th. And what was the date of the offense?
June 3rd.
June 3rd. So this is, well, I'm going to see if I can solve some of the problems here. One is we're going to switch you to a sober link, which is, do you know what a sober link is?
No.
You don't wear it. It's
Okay.
Not on you. It's not on attached to your
Thank
body.
God.
It's like a mini breathalyzer,
Okay, cool.
and you blow into this 5 or 6 times a day at specific times.
Okay, just carry it with me like everywhere. If I'm out with my kids, just go to the bathroom real quick.
Right, leave it in your car.
Okay,
Yeah, something like that.
okay.
It's not. I've never really heard anybody say it interferes.
Do I have to pay for it?
No, I'm going to waive the cost of the
Thank
monitor.
you. Thank you.
I think that solves your main issues.
Yes.
Okay, and we'll review this after she's on, when's your next hearing, do you know?
She hasn't been indicted yet, Your Honor.
Okay.
It's a pre-grand jury case, so grand jury is scheduled, I think, in the next few weeks.
Okay, so when you have your first pretrial here, we'll review your performance on the sober link, and
Right.
if you're continuing to do well, then I'll look at it closely.
Thank you for understanding. I really appreciate that. Truly, I do.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm just a bit emotional. I have a lot personally going on in my personal life. And I'm angry that I did that. Very angry because, for one, I messed up my career. I was away from my children for an entire week. It's caused me financial troubles. It's causing my relationship troubles. Because, we're fighting over money. And then also, I didn't get to go because the guy was supposed to get a warrant out for his arrest. I was supposed to go in front of a jury and tell them what he did to me. And they were going to vote yes. The prosecutor confirmed mostly everyone from Butler County would. If they didn't, they'd be out of their mind. But it's just, that really just aggravates me so badly because he's just still out there walking. And I know this really has nothing to do with this, but that's a huge reason why I was drunk that night, because it was coming up.
Do you see a counselor?
Yes, I'm in therapy. I've been in therapy for a year.
Okay, you can tell them all about this, and they're more equipped to be able to respond than me. I just have the case involving the police officers.
No, I know. I'm just
Okay.
trying to explain to you why the alcohol was involved. I just made a bad judgment call, and I didn't know what I was doing.
Well, the best thing you can do is not do it again.
Exactly. I learned from my mistakes, and I don't plan to ever come back to jail or be on an ankle monitor again. My plans, I'm in school for imagery, so ultrasound technician. I already have a nursing degree. I just don't want to be a nurse. It's too, I care too much, So, yeah.
Okay. We'll see you the next time once the case is sent over here.
Okay.
Go back down to court services.
Okay.
Get drug tested, and I'll meet with you, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
All right, good luck.
Thank you.
This bond hearing shows that the court's role is not only to address what happened in the past, but also to reduce the risk of it happening again. While the defendant accepted responsibility, explained the personal struggles she was facing, and demonstrated full compliance with her release conditions, the judge remained focused on protecting public safety. Instead of removing all monitoring, the court found a practical solution by replacing the ankle monitor with a less restrictive alcohol monitoring device, and even waived the associated costs. The decision reflects an important balance between accountability and rehabilitation, recognizing positive progress, while still ensuring that the conditions of release continue to protect the community. What do you think about the judge's decision? Did the court strike the right balance between compassion and accountability? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.